How to use WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a WooCommerce plugin to your website that you're creating on WordPress. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your WordPress website where you are creating a brand new website. So we're creating a store on WordPress and we want to add WooCommerce to our WordPress. So it's very easy to do. Once you go to your dashboard, then you will find your menu right here. So in your menu, I want you to simply scroll down to plugins right here. Simply click on plugins and then select add new. So we will be adding the WooCommerce plugin to our WordPress website. So add plugin option. In here we can select from thousands of different plugins, and WordPress is really amazing. It allows us to add anything. So simply go to the search plugin option right here because we cannot scroll and we can just simply go and type in for whatever we're looking for. So I'm going to type in Woo, and you can see right here WooCommerce is our first option, and it is WooCommerce, the world's most popular and open source e-commerce solution. It has more than 5 million active installation, more than 3,000 reviews. We know WooCommerce. So what you have to do is simply click on install now. Once you click on install now, then click on activate. So I have already added the WooCommerce, so that's why I am getting the update option now. But that's simple. You simply click on install and then activate. Once you do that, then you will be able to find your WooCommerce right here in your other plugins. Let's go to our home. There you go. Your WooCommerce is added to your WordPress, and now we just need to set up our WooCommerce. Let's try it. The first thing is, of course, we have to add our store details. We have to enter our address, country, city, postal code, and email address. So that's what I'm gonna do quickly. I'm gonna add the address. I'm gonna select the country. So let's select the country together, and after that I will just sneak out for a bit and then type in everything and meet you guys in a minute. Once you have added all the details, simply click on continue. Then we have to select the industry, and in here we simply select the store, whatever industry you are in. So I am actually in fashion and apparel accessories, so I'm going to select this one and click on continue. Then we have our product types. So what kind of products we are selling with our store. If you're selling physical products, downloads, subscriptions, and then we have memberships, bookings, bundles, and customizable products as well. But when it comes to membership, bookings, and customizable products, then you will actually have to pay for that. But with physical products, download, and subscription, it's completely free. Well, I sell the physical products, so I'm just gonna select this one and click on continue. After that, we have to enter our business details. So what we can do is we can simply select how many products we are planning to display. So I'm going to display 1 to 10 products for now, and we're not selling elsewhere. I'm going to click on continue. Once you add your business details, then you will be able to access the themes available of WordPress, WooCommerce WordPress. But let me actually give you a quick idea that what are the fonts available. So we have Flystone, we have Shopkeeper, we have Artcraft, Divi, and Legendary. So these are the different WordPress themes that work really, really good with our WooCommerce. So you can simply access any of these themes and you can download them. But that's like a complete another thing, how to add a theme, how to create a website, on WordPress. But we're working on how to integrate WooCommerce to our WordPress, right? So that's it. With this, like, you simply enter your themes, you select the theme, and after that you're good to go. Now I will show you the rest, how to add payment methods and how to add products. So when we get back to our website now, the dashboard, we have our WooCommerce. So with our WooCommerce, what I can do now is that you can see we have home, we have orders, subscriptions, SMS alert, customers, reports, settings, status, extensions, PDF, invoices as well. So if I go to settings, in settings, we can simply go ahead and add our payment method. We can simply add shipments, products. So this is our general. Then we have products, and in products I will be able to add different products. This is my shop pages, and I can add more than one page. We have our measurements, we have dimensions, everything is set here for our products. And after that we have the payment method. So What payment methods are available on WooCommerce, how to add them. Simply go to payments and then you can see right here we have WooCommerce payments, credit card and debit card. So you can select these different options that you will be accepting payments through credit card and debit card. Then we have bank transfer. So I'm going to also allow that. And then we have check payments. Well, we're not receiving check payments because this is online, so I'm not going to be selling offline. And then we have cash on delivery. So cash on delivery is also not available in my business, but you can, select from these options. So one of the options that everybody looks for is the credit card and debit card option. So once you enable it, then you will be able to connect a method to your WooCommerce. So it will just open it up. There you go. So we have WooCommerce payments, and now accept payment method. We have Visa card, MasterCard, we have Discover, we have GPay, we have Google Pay as well. So once you do that, simply click on finish setup and this will be added to your WooCommerce and you will be able to accept payment this way. So in settings, you will be able to get, different other settings as well, such as emails, integrations, account and privacy, multi-currency and subscriptions. Then you can also set up the shipping from this option. And we can simply go ahead and actually connect another plugin, which is Jetpack, to our WooCommerce, and that will actually help us with our shipping. And then I can actually add different integrations to my WooCommerce. Now, once you add your WooCommerce to your WordPress, then we can do a lot with it. So we can add different integrations. All you have to do is simply enter the license key. You will be able to add that integrations. Then we have multi-currency option, and you can simply add the multi-currency option from here. You can accept payments in multi-currency. And then last but not the least, we have subscription option. So when you go to WooCommerce, you will be able to access the settings and then other options. And that is how you will be able to set up your own store on WordPress, your own WooCommerce on your WordPress, and start selling your products today and make money with your WordPress website. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to tell you everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to add WooCommerce to WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.